This is the Cut Buddy's new 34-piece cordless haircut clipper and trimmer kit. Inside the box, you get a variety of things. You get a trimmer, a charger for that trimmer, guards, oil, and a brush for that trimmer. You get a clipper, which is probably the most unique clipper I've ever seen. That clipper comes with a charger, and get this, it comes with rechargeable batteries. That clipper also has guards, oil, and a brush. You get a brush for your beard, or you can use it for your crown. You get one of these brushes, you get a maintenance kit, and so much more. And you already know it wouldn't be a Cut Buddy package if it didn't come with the Cut Buddy itself. And if you're wondering how you're gonna carry all this around, then don't worry anymore, because this comes with a carrying case. Just take a look at that. So if you're interested in getting this 34-piece kit, then head over to www.thecutbuddy.com. And when you're making your purchase, make sure you use my code WAVEMANMIKE. This is WAVEMANMIKE without any spaces. And to make life more easy for you, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. But wait, I already know what you're thinking. 34 pieces, this must be expensive. Clippers by themselves cost $70. Trimmers will cost another $70. So all this must be like what, $200? Think again. This whole kit, all 34 pieces, is only $65. It's an incredible value, but it's only offered for a limited time only. So make sure you go get one right now.